for joining. Today we'll discuss matrix equations. Okay, so matrix equations. So under matrix equations, a system of linear equation can be written as a single equation using matrix and two vectors. For instance, when we have, let's say we have 2x plus y is equal to 4. We also have x minus y is equal to 2. So this is a linear system. This linear system can be written in the form ax is equal to b, where this A is a matrix, X is a vector, as well as B is a vector. So we can transform this linear system in the form we have 2, 1 here, we have 1, -1. Okay, so this is a matrix A. Then for the vector, this X will get X and Y. Then for B, we get 4 and 2. So we get 4 and 2. So we should take note that when we are finding the solution to this problem, this linear system, which we have written in this form, it can be written as X equal to A inverse, the inverse of matrix A, then multiplied by B, the vector B. Okay, so this comes from, for instance, when we have this linear equation AX is equal to B, if we can multiply both sides by the inverse of matrix A. So if we multiply both sides, so we say we have matrix, the inverse of matrix A, then we have AX, then is equal to, then we also get the inverse of matrix A, then multiplied by B. Okay, so when we multiply, this can be written as matrix, the inverse of matrix A, then multiplied by matrix AX. This is equal to, we also write this. So the inverse of matrix A multiplied by the same matrix, this gives us an identity matrix. Okay, so this implies that we can have an identity matrix A with identity matrix, then you multiply by the vector X, then this gives us the inverse of matrix A multiplied by B. And when we multiply an identity matrix by any vector, we get the same vector. So we get X is equal to A inverse B. That's where it comes from. So whenever we establish that matrix A, this matrix is invertible, then it has the solution X equal to the inverse of matrix A by vector B. Thank you so much for your time.